Did you see it looks good? So this is a single layout. When multiple accordion at the same time, you can create this type of FAQ, another one with different arrows. You can add icons over here. Hi everyone, welcome to the video. And in this video, I will try to cover a accordion component that built upon frame motion, or you can say motion. You can create FAQ section in better way using this component. So without wasting any time, let's go in the video. So let me first show you what accordion component you will use. So go to the UI layout, accordions, okay, this one, and then you'll see. Did you see it looks good? The animations is so smooth. So this is a single layout. Okay, and if I go to the multi layout, did you see? So what does multi layout mean? You can open multiple accordion at the same time. And how it work? If I just go to the main component, so this is a component, and this is a structure basically. So when you use multiple, then what you need to do? Just add these multiple props. Okay, that's it. And this is the accordion items, item 1 and item 2, item 3. Okay, so this is the basic structure. And if you go to the code, so did you see? So this is how it looks. We have accordion container and also a wrapper. So when you are using two accordion, okay, so then you don't need to use a div. For that, you can use the accordion container, or if you don't want to use the accordion container, you can skip it. Just use this base structure we have. Okay, let me show you some example that I create with it. So if you go to the pro and then go to the blocks, so if you go to this, what is it, FAQ section. So it had 12 blocks. So this one, you can create this type of FAQ. Did you see? And also you can create this type of FAQ. This is the same just with, I think these are another one with different arrows. Did you see? And this is another one. You can add icons over here. So you have the full control of these. And if you are wondering how I get these animations, this loader animation, so it's called timeline animations. I covered this animation in my previous video. And if I go back to the experience section. In the experience section, you see, if I just open it a new window, so this experience, and I'm using the same accordion for this. But did you see how you can use the accordion component in different use case? Suppose there is a experience section, so you can use that accordion from here as well. Okay, and then let me show you some more example. This one and some more. Oh, not this one, not this one. This one. Did you see? If I just open it a new window, then you will notice the animation is smooth. So I'm using the same accordion component for these blocks as well. Okay, and we have lots of more examples like this one as well. So you can try it. Okay, and all these are free. So let's create an example from scratch. Okay, so now it's fully blank. There's nothing over here. If I show you the code, so this is, so we'll create component. Okay, so first what we need to do, we'll go through an example. Okay, so if I go there, this not, yeah, this one. So you can use that, copy and paste it. I think copy and paste. It's okay, cool. The container header, everything, but we don't have any content over here. So what you can do, you can just add hello content, okay. Hello people, hello content, cool. Now if we save it and try to see it, so you can see it's working. So let's style it. So you can use accordion container, or you can use a simple div. Okay. So it's all up to you. Max with 4 XL, I'm exalted. Okay. So now if you go there, you can see you get the component. So let's add some content over here. We'll copy the content from here. So open it, copy, paste, copy, paste. Okay. So now if we go to our site and see, this looks nice. You want to use that array on the left side, not on the right side. So we will also show that how you can do it. So in the header, we will add custom icon, and we'll remove this multiple. We don't need the multiple. We'll add the arrows over here. Okay. So now let's check. Boom. It looks nice, but these things should be over here. So I think it's just because we have justified between, that's why it's working like that. So let's add class name justify star. Okay, and let's see how does it look. Cool. This looks nice. Okay, so now what we can do, we will do the same thing with all the other accordion we have. And now if we go there, so you got the perfect accordion for your component or for your block. So I think that's it, guys. I hope you like the video. If you like it, subscribe the channel and be with me. Bye bye.